Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and we get inquiries about gold trading robots. And in today's video I'm going to show you a gold trading robot with a fantastic track record which you can use that is totally dedicated to gold trading. The robot that you're about to see is a fantastic track record, but I must remind you that trading carries with it extreme risk, and past results are not guaranteed to produce future results and future positive results. The market can change at any time. And as you can see, it is very effective in trading gold with a very acceptable win rate. Now here's some up-to-date third-party verified results from my FX book, and there you can see the results that have been achieved on a monthly basis. And here are some statistics from historical testing going back as far as 3 years with different risk settings. And here you can see the risk settings applicable to the higher risk settings, the medium risk settings, and the low risk settings. Now let's have a look at this robot. It is 100% automated, it is beginner friendly, and it is a master of gold trading. It specializes purely on gold. It has third-party verified results. It does not trade grids, and what's important is it is prop firm friendly. Now it has a great 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can literally go and test it for 30 days and get your money back. And just a reminder, the Expert Forex live account broker is Exclusive Markets, and you can see some of the reasons why we use Exclusive Markets. They provide exceptional products but also exceptional service. So when you use this link, you are linked to our personal account manager and he will look after you. Furthermore, we use Dipgate as our VPS provider. We have 8 accounts running, and we are incredibly happy with the service and support provided by Dipgate. Now it's important that you use this code EXPERTFOREX20 to get a 20% discount on any VPS services that you enroll for. Now please click on the link supplied in the description of this video as well as in the first commentary of the video for more information, such as the satisfied customers that have been using this EA, a further informational video, the technology used, the built-in news filters used, the trading logic, the fundamental information used, risk management, and how often it trades, and also the purchasing plans that are available. You'll be surprised at the price of this gold trading robot. Just a reminder that the market can change at any time. Past results are not indicative of future results. They are not guaranteed to repeat. As always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a reminder to join our Expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.